So this is the reference image I decided to work with for this course. Let's take a look at it, pointing out some of the main details, but before that, let me quickly show you how to open up a canvas and use this shortcut to import an image. The first thing I want to point out is where the light comes from. By the color of the sky, I would say we're around noon, and thanks to the shadows of her curls on her face, I can see that the sun is kind of high in the sky, mainly lighting up her left side of the body. So what I'm gonna do right now is covering the areas that we call shadows. Of course, the sections covered by shadows are not all the same. The tone and the value of the color changes based on how far it is from the light source. In fact, the right shoulder and right side of her neck will appear darker than her left side of the face and body, which is closer to the sun. Now, with a different color, I want to cover those areas where the light is directly hitting the subject.